Taking strong exception to the transfer of a teacher from Geography Department of Biramangol College, Sawombung in Imphal East District, angry students of the college shut down the college indefinitely. The department currently has around 600 students. The students also block Imphal Ukhrul Road. The students locked A block and principal's room of the college on Wednesday. After locking the college gate, they also blocked Imphal Ukhrul Road. A confrontation erupted between the protesting students and a team of Imphal East District Police as police tried to stop the student from blocking the road. Later, they retreated after officials of the department concerned promised to talk with the protesting students. Speaking about the protest, General Secretary of the Student Union of the college, I. Rajesh, condemned the transfer of geography teacher Ibomcha when the college is facing shortage of teachers. He urged the education department to revoke the transfer order or to send a substitute at the earliest.